Snowbird P200 Professional Pet Shaver. 16 hours. Standard with P200 Electric Push. 5000 mAh large battery capacity. The power is adjustable in 5 gears. It was extremely quiet. Pet does not exclude. The fuselage has 4 gears to fine-tune the gears. 1. 02. 1.9 mm macro adjustment. LCD screen. Power. Charge. Hairy knife heads are optional. DuPont ceramic knife head. Sharper and more durable than ordinary ceramic knife heads. The hair is sharp and not stuck in hair. Teddy, Bichon, Pomeranian, Schnauzer, expensive cat, and other pets can be shaved. 13 mm hair retention effect. 9.6 mm hair retention effect. 6.